In 1992, deep in the frozen crust of northwestern Russia, a drill bit snapped in silence. What it had struck wasn't stone, not magma, not even metal. What they said it hit was nothing. And what came next, heat, noise, and whispers, was never meant for the public to hear. This is the story of the Kola Superdeep Borehole, a scientific marvel, and perhaps a gateway to something far more terrifying than Earth's molten core. In 1970, Soviet scientists launched an ambitious project near Murmansk, aiming to drill deeper into Earth than anyone ever had. Their target, 15,000 meters. The goal, unlock the secrets of the planet's crust and perhaps glimpse the ancient materials buried since the dawn of time. The site would come to be known as the Kola Superdeep Borehole. And it wasn't just a scientific milestone. It was a Cold War-era symbol of Soviet superiority. Just as the US had gone up into space, the Soviets wanted to go down into Earth. By 1989, they had drilled 12,262 meters, deeper than any man-made structure in history. But the deeper they dug, the stranger things became. Expected temperatures at those depths were around 100 degrees Celsius. Instead, they recorded 180 degrees. The rock became harder to drill. Equipment began to malfunction. A year was spent just to get through one layer of stubborn rock. But then, the drill bit dropped unexpectedly, as if into empty space. When retrieved, the tip was partially melted. Engineers described it as if the drill had been dipped into fire. Even more unsettling, a low-frequency hum was heard escaping the borehole. Some described it as mechanical, others almost like voices. Curious, the team decided to lower heat-resistant microphones into the shaft. What they recorded would never officially be released. Unofficially, it was leaked. Screams, dozens, maybe hundreds, layered over one another. Human-like, animal-like, agonized. The press dubbed it the well to hell. Is it possible the recordings were a hoax? Later investigations revealed that the infamous Screams of Hell audio may have originated from a 1972 horror film. But this doesn't explain the real data. Extreme temperatures, corrupted instruments, or why the project was quietly shut down in 1992. Several researchers, including Dr. Dmitry Azakov, reportedly claimed the project uncovered something beyond comprehension. Azakov later vanished from public life. It's also curious that after the fall of the Soviet Union, many KGB files related to geological and unexplained phenomena disappeared or were sealed. Was the borehole just a scientific experiment? Or did it breach something humanity was not meant to find? Geologists admit we know less about the Earth's inner layers than we do about the surface of Mars. Even at 12 kilometers down, the Kola borehole barely scratched the crust, which can reach up to 70 kilometers thick in some places. What's beneath remains theory. Magma, metal, maybe ancient biomes long lost to time. But the psychological weight of digging into the unknown is real. The project drew attention from theologians and mythologists, too. Stories of Shambhala, Agartha, and ancient civilizations beneath the Earth have existed for millennia. Could the Soviets have stumbled upon a literal myth? Or did the sheer depth of their ambition simply mirror the unknown terrors that dwell within ourselves? The Kola borehole has since been sealed. A rusted metal cap now guards the opening to humanity's deepest known excavation. And yet, the whispers haven't stopped. Some say, late at night, if you stand near the site, you can still hear the hum rising from beneath your feet. Others believe what was found there isn't gone, just sleeping. As science continues to chase the stars above, perhaps we should be asking a different question. What happens when we dig too deep?